Welcome to our video. If you are looking for inspiration to make your garden even more beautiful, you have come to the right place. I'm excited to share some new ideas to help transform your garden into a stunning outdoor oasis. One great way to add some color and texture to your garden is by creating a beautiful flower bed. Choose a variety of flowers with different colors and heights to create a dynamic and visually appealing display. If you are looking to create an outdoor living space, consider adding a patio. A well designed patio not only enhances the look of your garden but also provides a comfortable and inviting place to relax and entertain guests. Growing your own vegetables is not only a great way to save money but also a fun and rewarding experience. Whether you have a large or small garden, you can grow a variety of delicious vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce. Adding a water feature such as a fountain or a pond can bring a sense of peace and tranquility to your garden. The sound of running water can help mask unwanted noise and create a peaceful and calming atmosphere. Finally, adding a garden sculpture is a unique and creative way to add some personality to your garden. Choose a sculpture that complements the style and theme of your garden. These are just a few ideas to help transform your garden into a beautiful and inviting space. With a little creativity and some hard work, you can create a garden that you will be proud to show off to your friends and family. Thanks for watching our video about more ideas for your garden. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.